Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today we have such a treat for you. It is a kitchen remodel that was last touched in 1991. This kitchen was chosen because it reflects the size of most of the kitchens that are in our homes, and it will give you some tips and some tricks how to update your space within budget. Let's take a look at this kitchen, which was closed off and compartmentalized away from everything else in the back of the house. It did not have an island. The oven area was around the corner. It just did not function. This linoleum, I think it's linoleum or vinyl flooring. What we decided to do was open up the space into the remainder of the home. It opens up into the family room, and it gives it such a wide open concept. And now everything that's going on in the kitchen can be viewed from the family room, and what's going on in the family room can be viewed from the kitchen. Installed new custom cabinets, which were definitely needed in this space, a long but narrow island, so now there is a workplace that is available for the chef in the kitchen. Enjoy the remainder of the video. Let me know if you guys would like to see the rest of this home remodel project. Until next time, make every day a great day.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, baby, yeah. I got all you need. I got all you need. Say, oh, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.